So as Teague left the pot all the while and God in the food got yes. All the while, I could just look if nobody are watching. We have to take out the pot today. Bird a fly around here. Bird a fly up.
Listen me man, don't leave me sight man. Leave me sight man.
Come on, man. Bossy, uncle.
Me know I pay them. More am I pay to you? When you have 100 dumpling.
Yes.
$50 one for me dumpling them, sir. You know, sir?
Yes, sir.
Then you have 50 dumpling.
Yes, sir.
You are hearing? You eat 50 dumpling and you have 100 spoon of rice. You owe me $9,000 well, everything I do.
I never saw you in a bossy.
I want to me know I saw over Morgan.
I town I come from, I go sue him.
No, man, I can't sue him. That's just because
I go sue him, man. Yo, man, I'll go up on all the job and I'll drop on all them things there. Yo, camera there. Pass my camera there, man. Sue me, I go sue you, you know.
I go sue me. Sue me.
Yes, sir.
Leave me sight, man. All night I come down and nothing for man and all on the pan of mine and food. You don't come here just one your man and work like you don't take man feed you.
How can I come with one of the long belly friend them?
Yes. You want to hear you. You can't want that food with him.
Mother woman, I send them back with the pack in the boss.
They say I names, you know. Cause the boy I tell Spice man buff and him all the hog teeth, you know.
What's your teeth, sir? You want your teeth?
Eat the teeth, man. Eat the teeth.
I talk about man for eat teeth.
The teeth?
Yeah, man.
What that in the hog mouth?
My teeth, I want me eat, man.
The teeth?
Yeah, man.
I was hog no brush teeth.
Like, it's important to me. If you get my teeth, you go back over, man, make your teeth drop out.
I pay him no man. I'm gonna come to you. But hog teeth. And say anyhow, him not get back hog teeth. We are going to have mash mouth. We not going to have no teeth. Stop teeth patting.
That's a good one.
I'm coming. I hold it for patting, Mr. Brother.
No cooking on the side, man. No cooking. No, man. No cooking on the side, man. I work here.
I'm not cooking no boss. Two pieces of yam in a roast, you know.
I come sit for your light on the side, man. Eat on the yard, man. And I come and work for eat. I come and work for work, man.
Give me a link, man. I want to scotch point at time. Something bird a fly around here. Yes, man. Alright. Black pepper, yeah, screw someone.
No man, no pot a cook, man. No, man, no eat on the day on the yard, man. When on the yard, no eat. If next week, I won't eat next week. I don't want no pot a cook, sir.
I go to spring and cow around, but I'm not go back on the spring. So I'm telling you about me and Spice, man, a thief. What?